Teardown Step 4, Blue Duffel Bag. After all VBOs have been placed inside the blue duffel bag, the next step is to place the remaining supplies inside and then seal the bag. Open the white binder, and in the back pocket, behind the stapled sheets of paper, there is a return supply check sheet. Check off the supplies as you return them to the bag, and then have all judges sign in the designated signature area. Make sure you set aside one of the blue seals provided by your election office for sealing the blue duffel bag. When you have placed all supplies in the blue bag, including the white binder, you may now zip and seal the bag. To seal the bag, snap the black tab into place. And then take one of the blue seals provided by your election office and seal the tab to the bag as shown.